What may happen if the moon crash into the Earth? In the upcoming sections of this video, we're going to discuss this phenomenon deeply. We know you are also in a little curious situation about this factor. Before discussing it, let's have a simple idea about what orbits and gravitational forces are. According to physics, the gravity between any two objects depends only upon a single factor. It is the mass or weight. So simply, that is known as the gravitational force. Gravitational force does not depend on the object's shapes, colors, or compositions. That means the moon is also affected by this force of gravitation and keeps stationary in an orbit. Then, what's an orbit? That's the point. That's the point that holds the moon far towards without falling into the Earth. According to Newton, the moon must fall by 0.0136 meters each second if this effect is not there. Here we have come to discuss the point, can the moon fall on Earth? Did you know that the moon is traveling at a velocity much faster than any other object? That means the moon tries to shoot away from the Earth, but the effect of gravity is only the factor that keeps this form alive. The moon is like a theater ball. Experience you are hitting any ball. Will it fly straight away from you when you hit it? A similar phenomenon occurs between the moon and the orbit too. According to this, as long as the moon travels too fast, the moon won't hit the Earth, theoretically. We're sure now you all may be wondering what consequences may occur if, however, the moon collides on our Earth. Here are the consequences if so. In other words, collision is the meaning of crashing. The moment that the Earth and the moon touch together, it is known that our world or the Earth does not exist. Imagine a case in the gravitational force between the moon and the orbit. The velocity of the moon traveling is lost and the moon starts to fall off from its orbit. Can it be possible? Do you know the opinion regarding this with a bit of physics? Physics or science describes that almost all the life on the Earth will be destroyed if this moon crashes into the Earth. Actually, why doesn't the moon crash into the Earth? Let's discuss this deeply by applying simple laws of physics. Simply, it is due to relativity. So what does this relativity mean? The moon is not orbiting the Earth. It is simply going in a straight line constantly forever. Since the straight line is curved in the outside observer view, the moon goes in a curved line. From Newton's first law of motion, actually, he has explained this factor. From the above information we provided to you, we hope now you have an idea about the relationship between the moon and the Earth, and the phenomenon of why the moon won't fall or crash into the Earth anytime. Now we invite you to share your thoughts about this factor. Will the moon crash the Earth? What kind of a feel do you get when hearing this instead of the above information we discussed? Comment yours in the comment section and share your thoughts with use and others.